Okay, the next question is...
What? Recommended characters? Well, you know that! Yeah, way more revenge!
But why?
Because the maniac you call a host locked us in a room and forced us to answer dumb questions.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense actually.
Let's kill him.
Your next challenge is to save me.
Poor performance, your murderous tendencies will be useful. Did you shoot that guy?
Come on, team! Screw
You again.
Yeah, doing here.
I could say the same to you. You two know each other? Dude, that's my ex.
That was the shortest night I've ever seen.
Where's Droplet?
She's busy being the third person in 6 episodes to have beef with Puck.
Clunky, gay, wedge, fishing rod. I don't know what you want, but I guess I'll help. Don't make me regret.
Hey folks, viewer mail time again. Oh, here's one from Sally, age 14. Dear Pig, aren't you interrupting the story at the most suspenseful part? Well, the answer is yes, Sally. Yes, I am. Keep those cards and letters coming.
So, plug in fishing rod win?
But not for their team.
Because you two get to be the new team captains, and we'll pick your teams next episode.